Hi, so today we're going to be learning about the perimeter of a shape. So the definition of a perimeter is the length of a shape, or you can say the length of the path that makes the shape. So that might be confusing, but I'll show you an example here. So right here, we are given a rectangle. And as you can see, the long edge of the rectangle here is 5 inches long, and the short edge here is 2 inches long. And because you know it's a rectangle, you know the top and the bottom are the same length, and these sides are the same length. So this is 5 inches also, and this is 2 inches over here. So when they ask you for the perimeter of this rectangle, all you have to do is just add the sides, the length of the sides. So 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 14, as you can see. And here I just showed you that what you're doing is you're just finding out the length of these lines. You're just adding them up. So if you were to take this rectangle and put it into a straight line, you would get a line here that's 5, another line that's 5, and then these two would be 2 inches. And then again, you add them up, and that equals 14. And you might be asking, why would you need to do this? Well, a practical example would be if you want fencing for your garden. So say you have a garden, you want a fence around it. So to find out how much fencing you need, you would find the perimeter of your garden, and that's how long of fencing you need. So this is confusing. We'll get into some examples. So share you screen. So here is just, if you look up perimeter on Google, this is what comes up. So you can look at it. If you don't understand, you can look at in words instead, but we're going to go into examples. Okay. So this example, this isn't a rectangle, it's a trapezoid. But like I said before, perimeter is really easy to find. All you have to do is add the length of the sides. So the perimeter of the trapezoid would be, all you have to do is just add the length of the sides. So it will be 3 plus 13 plus 9 plus 13. That looks kind of messy. And what would that equal? So let's see. 3 plus 13 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 13 is 38. So then your answer would be 38 kilometers. And make sure you always have your units. So this is your units, your kilometers, because this is in kilometers also, km. So the next one. Okay, so this is a rectangle like we learned before. Again, like I said before, in a rectangle, you know that this and these sides are equal, and this sides are equal. So that means the top and bottom are both 5 meters, and the left and right sides are both 3 meters. So you add 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. And that will equal 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 6, 16. So 16 meters. Okay, so next is a triangle. Like we learned before, you just add the sides. So 3 plus 5 plus 4. And that is, let's see, 8 plus 4 is 12 inches. And the next one. So this shape is kind of weird. This is called a parallelogram, but it's just like a rectangle, but just a little squish. So just like a rectangle, the top and bottoms are equal, and then the sides are equal. So that means to find the perimeter, it's 18 plus 18 plus 9 plus 9. Or you can also do, because you know these sides are equal, you can do 2 times 18 plus 9. You can do this for the rectangle also. And that would equal, let's see, so 18 plus 9 is 27, and then 27 times 2, 4, carry the 1, 54. So the answer is 54 miles. And here's just the last one. It's another trapezoid. And like I said, you just add the lengths of the sides. So 2 plus 16 plus 16 plus 19. So let's see, 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. And then 34 plus 19, 9, 3, 1, 53. The final answer is 53 kilometers. And that's it. Again, just do the same thing. And like here, I'll show you one more time. So because you know the top and the bottom are equal, you can just use, clear the rest. You can use this equation, 2 times 3 plus 11. So 3 plus 11 is 14 plus times 2 is 28. And there you have it. And that's how to find a perimeter of a shape.